Hello, my name is Rejoice Kosi Anierobi, and here it's my project. This is called Uche-X. It's an open source project from inmoov website. I use my 3D printer over there to be able to print all the body parts of this robot. I have tested all the servos and they are working perfectly fine. I have written down the code and the speech is working greatly. I named this after my father. This is called Uche-X. I came from a small community in Nigeria where I have zero or no knowledge about tech skills because I wasn't advanced. I started using computer perfectly well when I came into Canada. And being a software engineering student, it was really difficult for me. In fact, I would say I was the most dullest student in my class, but having to practice more, using my computer more, and then creating something like this has really made and shaped who I am as a person. People have mocked me and said, you cannot do this. But with the help of wanting to know more, I was able to create Uche-X. Uche-X is going to be able to help people who want to learn different programming language, teach them calculus, and also communicate to them on their day-to-day activities. Yes, it can also sweep and clean with what I have written about this code. So I'll be wanting you to invest more on this project so that we can create mini kits that will be able to help people like me who came from small community to an international school here in Canada, Seneca Polytechnic, to be able to understand more how to use tech things, learn robotics from scratch, and be the best of themselves. Thank you.